What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and this is your first time to my page, welcome. My name's Angelica Fitzgerald and I'm so excited for today's video. I am working with a totally new brand, totally new product, even though it's a couple products, and I'm real excited. So as you can tell from the title of this box, I'm going to be doing a full unboxing of the Fall FabFitFun box. I gotta be honest with y'all though, I already took a peek. And we're in for a good video. Before we go any further, I would like to give FabFitFun a huge shout out for sponsoring today's video. When they reached out to me asking if they could send the fall box, and I got a little glimpse of like the products I could choose to put in the box, I was like, oh my God, heck yes. And also one of the best parts about companies reaching out asking to sponsor a video is that I can get a discount code for you guys. I love being able to be a resource for you guys to save money if you're already interested in a product. So they did give me a code Angelica10, which will save you $10 off of one of your boxes. I will share all the info on how much they cost, what the value of the box is, what's inside each box, what I got in my box this month, all of that later on in the video. But I did want to let you know right at the beginning of this video that I do have that discount code. So if you already know, you're sold, you already want to get FabFitFun, definitely take advantage of that code to save some money. All right, if you are ready to learn a little bit more about FabFitFun and also see what I got in my fall box, keep on watching. Okay, so before I unbox everything, I did want to share a little bit of info about FabFitFun. If you're totally new and you're kind of interested but you don't know how it works, I got you. So basically it's a curated box of items that you've told FabFitFun that you love, that you receive every quarter. So every season there's a new box that they come out with that has all season specific items, whether it's winter, spring, summer, or fall. They are all goodies that you can use in that season that are in style, that are cute, that are things that you selected that you would like to receive. And then every quarter you receive this little goodie box straight to your door, and it's like receiving a little Christmas package every season with a bunch of cute things that you can use a lot. So I'm just looking at my box. It's things that I know I will use over and over and over again. They're very practical items. I have tried personally a couple subscription boxes that I'm like, like, you know what I'm talking about if you've ever done a subscription box that just does not deliver on the value. So I did want to talk about the value a little bit. So most of the boxes value at about $300 depending on what you choose to be inside of your box. So obviously the price of each box varies because they have filled every box with items that you've chosen, but it's around $300, and the cost for you to have one of these boxes is $50. So you are getting significantly more value than you are paying for, which is one of the best things about FabFitFun. And they actually have some nicer things in the box. I'm just gonna go ahead and share one of them because I couldn't resist wearing it today, but a little earring and necklace set they sent me, and this is Coach. Like, Coach is not a little duck brand, to put lightly. So they actually send really good quality, good value things that you would use over and over and over again, that you're not just gonna like put in your closet and never touch again. So basically that's FabFitFun in a nutshell. And also my code Angelica10 will save you $10, making your box $40 instead of $50, which is awesome. So let's get right into the fun part of this video, which is just unboxing all the goodies. This box came with a lot of stuff. I'm genuinely surprised. I opened this when my husband was nearby, and after about 20 minutes he was like, are you still opening the box? And I'm like, yes, everything is like so cute and there's a lot of it. So let's get right into it. So the first item, like I said, is this little necklace and earring set from Coach. They match. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful little stone. This is all rose gold. The earrings are like little flowers with tiny stones inside of them as well. They kind of pick on the hues since it is in rose gold of like a brown tannish color stone, even though I'm pretty sure it's clear. So it really is like a very, very fall vibey necklace. Plus I have tan on today, so it really looks fall. But this is probably my favorite little item in the box. I know I will wear the heck out of these because they're very neutral and simple and they'll just go with a lot. So love this. They also sent me a black battery powered toothbrush. This was one of the items I was hoping I would get. So it's kind of fun because even though you pick products you want, you still don't know what you're gonna get. You pick 1 out of 5 products that you would prefer, but it's still a surprise because you don't know what you're gonna get. So I like that. I was hoping this was gonna be in my box, which I got. And look at that. It's like a fantastic electric toothbrush. So obsessed with the black matte color, like it looks great. And I was literally telling my husband about a month ago, I need to get another toothbrush for traveling, one that I just always leave in my travel bag and one that stays at home rather than having one that goes back and forth. So this is so practical. Like we're going on vacation next week and I'm gonna be taking my black toothbrush with me. So like I said, really practical things that you will use a lot and not just shove in the back of your closet and never look at it again. Okay, next thing, oh, my little Coach bag. Next item, they sent me this cute little hat, which is so fall. It's like a little plaid hat, which plaid is so in the season, like flannels wrapping around the waist, wearing it as like a boyfriend top, shackets that are plaid, like that is fall in a nutshell. So we gotta have our matching hats to match all the flannel happening with the plaid on it. Plus I like that it's like black and cream tone. So this will actually match a lot of things. Go follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle somewhere on the page because you will see this styled a million ways this fall. I guarantee it. Next is an item I'm shocked that I got. I was like hoping I would get it. I knew it was gonna be one of the more popular items, but it did, so I'm really excited. So it's this little backpack that folds up into a pouch this size. I kid you not. So this is what the backpack looks like. Super, super lightweight. I love that it's cheetah and neutral. It'll go with so much in the fall, but it folds up. The brand is Athletic Propulsion Labs. It's made in Los Angeles. I'm pretty sure they have like footwear and a lot of other activewear accessories, which is great. And I'm going to try real fast to try and put it in its like small pouch form again so y'all can see how tiny this is. One moment, please. I can get these straps back in here. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. It's not that hard actually. I'm making it seem like it's the hardest thing in the world. All right, that whole backpack that I just shared with y'all is in here. It's just turned inside out. So this is how I would pack it. Super small, like does not take up a lot of room. And then we just pop it back out. So like the functionality of this is fantastic. It's a really smart designed bag and it's cute. It's got cheetah and it's tan. Like those are my favorite colors. Anything tan, neutral, beige, and animal print, it's mine. I will buy it. Here's my credit card. Go. Okay, moving on. We have some bath products. So the first thing is bath gel by Islands of Italy. Ooh, it's supposed to be beach champagne fragrance inspired by Capri. Ooh, I am so excited to use this. This is a pretty big tub, so this will probably last me a while. We love our bath gel. Another product in here, which I thought these were so cool. I didn't know what they were at first because they were like this. So it's like little tiny trays that you can expand and have a bunch of trays, or you can put back together. Like they're very space efficient and I like that they're white. They match everything. Plus, who doesn't need more space for their stuff? The first thing I automatically thought of was leaving this on my vanity and wearing my everyday jewelry that I wear every day, which now I can put my little Coach earrings and Coach necklace in the little trays. So super practical, and I love that since it's white, it's kind of like seasonless. Like white is good any season, so these are great. So the next product is skincare, which I am so excited. I'm actually probably gonna use this tonight. It is a pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love charcoal masks, but then the pumpkin and ginger, that's like fall in a nutshell. And it's the brand Pureless. I've just never used anything from this brand. I'm just gonna look them up real fast because I wanna know what the cost is on this. One moment, please. Okay, so like their thing is BB creams, and this pumpkin ginger detoxifying charcoal mask is $48. Y'all, that's like the cost of this box. So it's basically like if you were to buy this by itself and you could get everything else, Coach earrings, little table tray, backpack, toothbrush, bath gel, like all for free. This literally costs almost as much as one box. So like I said, it's truly a great value of a box. This last product is kind of funny. So if you have kids, I think you will love this. So it's what they call a hip lunch pack. So this is what it looks like. It's the same size as that classic paper brown bag we all once knew and did not love back in the day. It's rubber and it's obviously reusable, which is way better for the environment because you don't have to use a new paper brown bag like every time your kid has lunch or you have lunch. This you can use as much as you want, which this brand, which is called Hip, I believe, strives to make small changes in big ways. Lastly, they sent some gift cards, so you can get 9 meals for free with HelloFresh, the food subscription. And then also, I haven't heard of this brand, but it's called Nourish by Nature. You can get 50% off of your first month of all your vitamins. And then lastly, there's a $60 credit to Bright Cellars, which is a wine subscription service. You take a wine quiz, they match you with some wines, and you can experience different wines every time they send them out, which is really cool. My husband and I love our wines. We are like always trying and testing out new wines, so this is something that we will definitely be utilizing to try wines that we wouldn't probably ordinarily try on our own. So that is everything in my fall FabFitFun box. I think y'all can tell I'm obviously most excited for my little Coach necklace, since this is like the 3rd or 4th time I'm mentioning it in this video. My necklace and earrings, like I'm gonna wear these every single day. I can already tell because they're just such a good like everyday piece of jewelry, and since it's Coach, I know it's fantastic quality. And I think my second favorite product is the Pumpkin Ginger Detoxing Clay Mask. Cannot wait to use it. I'm seriously gonna use it tonight. So other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a comment down below and I will get right back to you. I'm gonna link FabFitFun's website and fall box in the description box, and I hope it was helpful. If you are interested in FabFitFun, definitely make sure to utilize that code Angelica10 to save some money if you end up getting a FabFitFun box. But other than that, thank you for watching. I will see y'all in next week's video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.